In this video, learn how to cancel a transaction. In order to cancel a transaction, you must log into S.M.A.R.T. Select Transaction History in the left sidebar. In this section, you will see all transactions processed by the user. Keep in mind of the filters at the top: all, shipping, mailing, RTS, manual. You may not find the transaction if you have the incorrect filter selected. After selecting the filter required, go to the right to Filter by Created Date. Next, select the date you are searching for. Press OK. The transaction you want to cancel should display. You can select multiple transactions by selecting the checkbox to the left. In this example, since there is only one transaction, we do not need to select the checkbox. To the right under Actions/Status, select the X Cancel icon. A dialog box will display to confirm that you want to cancel the transaction. To confirm, press I accept. The system will process and confirm when the transaction is canceled. You do have the option to create an identical shipment if you want to reuse the transaction in the system again. Select Close once finished. You can confirm the transaction is canceled by the canceled icon on the right side.